In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete process of finding your Hostinger server IP address. Whether you're setting up DNS records, connecting a domain, or troubleshooting technical issues, knowing how to locate your server's IP is extremely important. The steps are simple, but many beginners overlook where this information is stored, so this guide will make everything crystal clear from start to finish. To begin, open your preferred browser and head over to Hostinger's official website. Once you land on the homepage, ignore all the extra features and promotions for now. Your main focus is to access your account so you can reach the dashboard where all server information is stored. Look toward the top right corner for the login button and click it. Enter your email and password to continue. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to create one first and then log in. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger control panel, also known as the H panel. This is the main hub for every tool and setting related to your hosting. At first glance, the panel may look packed with options, but you only need to focus on the hosting section. Find the tab labeled Hosting and click it. Here, you'll see all the hosting plans connected to your account. If you have multiple websites, make sure you select the correct one by clicking the Manage button next to it. Once you open the Manage area, you'll find several categories such as files, databases, email, domains, and performance settings. What you want is the section related to your hosting plan information. Look for an option labeled Plan Details. This section contains all the important data about the server running your website. Click on it, and the panel will expand to show additional technical information. Inside the Plan Details page, you will finally see an entry called Website IP Address. This is the exact number you are looking for. It will usually appear in a standard numeric format with periods separating the values. This IP address is your server's unique identifier on the internet, and it's essential for domain pointing, external integrations, and various backend tasks. Copy the IP address and keep it somewhere safe if you need to use it repeatedly. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to locate your Hostinger server IP address using the H panel. This simple piece of information can save you a lot of time when setting up DNS records or diagnosing connection errors. If you found this guide helpful, or if you run into any issues, feel free to reach out for more help. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.